back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another healthcare work from home job lead for you. From all that I can tell, this one is going to be completely non-phone. It is a virtual within the United States only. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. But USACS is hiring an electronic records specialist. So this is like medical records, but most medical records these days are in electronic form in a computer database. But they are looking for someone to gather and compile patient data and records to facilitate the billing process in a document imaging setting. You'll prepare the accurate patient data to the electronic records department. You'll follow up on missing documentation, including dictation and patient records. You'll respond to the department request for missing or additional information. You'll perform and assist with other department duties as needed. So it kind of just sounds like you are gathering all the patient data, the doctor's dictation files, all of that, and making sure it is all packaged up in that patient's electronic medical record. So then the billing and coding departments have all the documentation in the system that they need to do their jobs. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this. Only a high school diploma or GED is needed. They're looking for someone who has at least 2 years of experience using a computer. Someone who has knowledge of medical insurance and terminology is helpful, but is not required. You need to be able to communicate in a professional manner, maintain confidentiality. That is extremely important when you're dealing with people's medical records. Someone who has great attention to detail and can be organized, and of course, be a multitasker. Now, the pay for this position is listed at $11.48 an hour, all the way up to $19.13 an hour. Now, in today's world, I seriously doubt they are paying the $11.48 rate. They're probably paying a mid-range of about $15 to $16 an hour. But if you come in with experience in healthcare already, you'll probably get the $19 an hour. But make sure you are always negotiating your salary. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.